Hello and welcome back to my channel HPB. Today I'm going to talk about Amazon stocks. So I have been very impressed with Amazon stocks from last several years, and today as we have seen market growing up and up, I have seen this price of 31.31, and in my opinion what is going to be the possible scenarios, because everything is up today, everything looking green, but at the same time you have to understand that this market is not the market that exactly matches with all the analysis. So let me go back and talk to you about a little bit of stocks. When I go to the 5-year chart of this Amazon stock, you can see over here that it is quite a good run ups in the past several years. You have seen after 2016, actually, it has shown a significant amount of run ups, and because you know that Amazon has started selling products online. Uh, from the time of dot-com bubble, people were very skeptical about different tech companies, but Amazon, on the other hand, have been always overvalued by most of the analysts, as they say that it's extremely overvalued, but still it's keep going up. And we have seen a trend line, we have seen a lot of trend line which depicts us that it was supposed to be in the range of 2700 to $3000. What happened is that after the pandemic hits in March, over here price dropped to even $1611 as a minimum, and after that we saw a huge run of 3550. So this whole range of run-ups because of COVID-19, it's little unrealistic when it comes to tech stocks, because we have seen several market corrections in the last 3 weeks, and I am very concerned about some of the things that is happening currently. Amazon, on the other hand, if we go into the financial chart, you have seen that they have done tremendously good in this year. They are projected to be doing great next year. They have so many projects launching. They have acquired almost smart home project, and so many people use Amazon products like Alexa, smart switches, and everything. So what concerns me a lot right now is that little bit of analysis. So when you go and see that it comes to revenue estimates, people are creating more revenue to be in the 2021, which is great. Like Tesla is growing, Amazon is growing great. Of course, Tesla is also growing great. It's all over my mind because one of the biggest stock in my portfolio is Tesla. At the same time, Amazon has is a very stable company. It's a great company growing up and up. It's great to have Amazon stocks, but I want to talk to you about EPS trend, earnings per share trend. You have seen that just 90 days ago it was 18.82, which is also a great number, and now it has been increased to 31.66 in last few days. That's amazing. And when you talk about 2021, it's above $40, which is great. So you have to understand that this company is growing like anything, and this is just about not just about United States, but is also growing in other countries. And they are taking over so many new startups so that they can grow and become smart. They have so many projects in all over, and when you see the recommended analyst analyst suggestion, it's like strong buy and buy in between 1.7 score is a great number. In my opinion, the price target for next year, or even by the end of this year, it can hit 4,000 for a time. This is quite evident and possible. But at the same time, I want to take you back to the analysis, the technical analysis. In terms of finances, we have seen that it is doing great. The price target should be between 3684 to 4378 for this year, which is great. By the next year, it will even grow bigger, and by Fibonacci series, we have seen already in the past that it can hit even $5,000 by end of 2023 or even earlier. At the same time, I want to talk to you about a little bit of tech stocks and what's currently trend going on. So we have seen a huge run up. Like this is completely insane, and this market correction is very much needed. So current price is 31.31 24 cents, and it's little unrealistic when it comes to the trend of the stock. So we still have to find a bottom line. The bottom line, it can be above $3,000, and we may see a new trend line going upward because Amazon stock is going to grow upward. But at the same time, in coming 3 weeks, because of uncertainty in market, presidential elections, and COVID-19 situation, people are losing jobs. And at the same time, of course, Amazon is like growing because of so many demands, and um, people are buying products online. But in my view, I personally feel that it needs a huge correction, and this will happen very soon. Probably in next few weeks you will see a huge amount of pullback. Why is this important? For any stable company, it cannot keep growing up and up. It has to go down for market correction. You have seen in the past, in 2018 we have seen when it was growing extremely up, and then it has a pullback, a full session of almost 1.5 year, and then it again take back to the trend upwards. So in my personal view, it will have a major pullback at this point, and it can, my price target is 2750, because if the price target comes in if the prices comes in this range, it will range between 2550 to 2750, then definitely we will have a great chance of buying opportunity. We can buy and hold the stock because we know the price target for coming future is above $4,000, which is very possible. I believe, it's my personal opinion, that by end of this year or by first quarter of next year, Amazon stocks can go above $4,000, which is very possible. But at this moment, seeing the opportunity, I want to remind that it can be a major opportunity for us to make an entry point between 2550 to 2750, and this stock need to come up in order to stabilize itself, and this is very essential. I may sound like a little stupid, but in coming future, if it doesn't correct itself, it will be high risk. We have seen that there is a bottom of 2950 around, where it pulled back the stock to go upward. It may be possible that it's going to be a new trend line from here, but because of so many catalysts, like they have a major event on 13th October, so it can be a reason that it's going up. But when I decide about an entry point, I always look for entry point where the the prices are realistic, and to me the realistic point seems to be below $2,800. So this is my personal view, and thank you so much for giving me your time. Write down your views on my analysis and comments below, so that I can correct myself if I'm somewhere wrong. I can do more research and analysis and share with you all. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that my videos can get more views. And thank you so much for holding back. Have a great, wonderful investing. Thanks. Bye.